last.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Cheers.
It's like a berry.
It's gonna be sweet. Cheers!
Oh.
Ooh.
Ooh.
What? It's so weird.
It tastes like candy. Candied grapes or something.
Yeah, what?
I remember the first time I tried Miracle Berries, I ate 7 of them, so I wasn't sure how many you should eat.
They only need like half of one.
That tastes like candy.
It tastes very sweet.
Didn't taste like that before.
What if you ate like,
Cheese.
Should we try it?
what if I had like a late night craving and I don't have any like sweets at home?
Is it gonna be a sweet cheese?
It's really big gross.
It tastes like cheese.
It tastes like cheese.